Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. It's online sport program APSEC Secretariat. Level Secondary, Class 8, Subject Mathematics, and week is 11. It's Army Public School and College Khanewal. Here it's me Ikra Tanveer, your mathematics teacher, and we are going to start our assignment for week 11. Let's move to the next slide. Textbook Oxford New Syllabus Mathematics Edition 7th edition, page number 501 to 512, chapter number 17, exercise 17b. Topic is average of statistical data, and the subtopic is median. Resource required for your work, that is your textbook, pencil, ruler, writing material. In the introduction or the summary of the lesson, what is median? Finding the median when number of the data is odd, finding the median when the number of data is even, and finding the median from leaf and stem diagram and frequency table. And here we are having your textbook mathematics. Let's move to the next. Okay, here we are having the brainstorming of basic statistical averages. What are the basic statistical averages we are going to read about? There are three most common measures: mean, mode, and median. And the main agenda to discuss today is median. We are going to discuss median and the learning objectives of the lesson. Students will be able to learn about median and calculate median from even and odd number of data, calculate data from leaf and stem diagram and frequency table, and then you have to find median from these diagrams. Here we are having the definition of median. Before moving to the calculation of median, we'll see what is median. The median is the middle number which obtained by rearranging data in ascending order. But question is, if data is even, what will be the procedure? And if data is odd, then what will be the procedure for the median? So let's have a solution for both problems. If data is odd, then arrange data in ascending order and find the middle value. Here we are having the worked example number 7, 20, 25, 21, 24, 22, 26, and 20. Our raw data is given to you people. First thing you have to do, you have to count the data. You have to find the kind of the data. If data is even or odd. So I'm going to count 7 number is given, that is odd. So here I'm having the formula n plus 1 over 2. So where from I'll take the n, you can see over here n represents the number of data. So I'll put over here 7 plus 1 in the formula over 2, 8 over 2, it will be 4. So I need fourth position in the data. For the fourth position, I have to arrange the data first in ascending order. So I'm going to arrange the data 20, 20, 21, and then in the center we are having the value that is 22, 24, 25, 26. Now this 22 is the fourth position, that is our median. Over here we are having worked example 9, and you can say of today's work is second example. If data is even, if you are having the number of the data with the even number 12, 8, 19, 30, 14, 21, 9, 5. Even data doesn't mean that we all numbers are even. It's mean total number of data is even. So when I'll count all these numbers, the numbers are 8, which is even. So first I have to find the middle position. I have the formula n plus 1 over 2. By putting the value of n, that is 8, number of the data is 8, 8 plus 1 over 2, which is 9 over 2. By dividing 9 with 2, I got 4.5th position. So for the finding of 4.5th position, I'll rearrange the data in ascending order. I have 5, 8, 9, 12, 14, 19, 21, and 30. For the 4.5th position, I need the mean of fourth number and fifth number. 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth. 12 and 14 are fourth and fifth number. So mean of the data from the fourth and fifth position, I'll find 12 plus 14 over 2. When you need the any mean of from two numbers, you will divide it with the 2. So I'm going to divide sum of the data, that is 12 plus 14, over number of the data, that is the formula of mean which we had done in the previous assignment, and I got the solution, that is 13. So here we are having the next example. The dot diagram represents the average number of times of a group of people visit supermarket in a week. So here we are having the weeks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 weeks. So these dots, blue dots, are mentioning the people who are visiting the supermarket in a week. So first, what I have to find the from the data, it is the total number of data. So I will count the dots, and the dots are 13. So middle position I'll find 13. I'll put over here in the formula 13 plus 1 over 2, that is 14. 2 sevens are 14. Seventh position, data was odd, so I got just one number, that is seventh position. Now the question is how I'll find the seventh position in the dot diagram. Okay, so for the dot diagram, I'm going to find the solution 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, the purpose is just to find the position. The position is in week 3. So I got the seventh position in week 3. So my answer is 3. That is your middle position or the median of the given dot diagram. Okay, I'm not having concern with the other values. I'm just having concern with this dot. Okay. Here we are having one more interesting example, that is leaf and stem diagram. The stem and leaf diagram represent the volumes in milliliter of chemical solution in 20 bottles. Total number of the data. Now you can see that the mentioned over here that the 20 bottles are given over here. So all the data is mentioned over here, and the key is also given. 2 by 8 means 28 milliliter. 2 by 8 mean 28 milliliter, 2 by 6 mean 26 milliliter, 3 by 0 mean 30 milliliter. So all this is the key we have to use in the next procedure. And here we are having the attention box, that data in the leaf and stem diagram already arranged in ascending order. No need to arrange the data again in ascending order. Okay. Here we are having the solution. How we will find the total number of data is 20, already mentioned in the statement, that is even. So I have to find the middle position first for the further solution, n plus 1 over 2. So I'm putting over here 20 plus 1, it will be 2, 21 over 2, that is 10.5th position. So I got the 10.5th position. Now what I have to do? I have to find the solution median, mean of the data from 10th and 11th position. Now the question is, which is the 10th and 11th position? So I'll move to the data, that is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 2 and 3 both are 10 and 11th position. So 3 by 2 it will be 32, and 3 by 3 it will be 33. So by putting the values 32 plus 33 over 2 by dividing, I got the answer 32.5 milliliter. And attention box again over here for you people, that the data is arranged in ascending order, so no need to arrange again data, and we got the answer, that is 32.5 milliliter. I hope the all questions and the procedure is interesting for you people, and you have understood all the concept. But if you didn't, then you can ask in your assignment. Let's move to the next example. Over here we are having the frequency table, as you can see on the screen. The height in centimeter of 18 students are recorded. Height is given and number of students are given also. So what we have to do, we have to find the solution. Okay. The data is given, two students are 152 centimeter, two students are of 154 centimeter, five students are 156 centimeter, and one is of 158, and eight is of 160 centimeter. What we have to do, we have to find the median height of the students. So total number of data we have to find. How over here in the statement we have the 18 students are recorded. You can also count from over here to a total number of the students, that is 18. So first we will find the middle position, n plus 1 over 2. 18 plus 1 over 2, it will be 19. So I need 9.5 position. So now question is, which column I will choose? Over here I am having 5 columns. May I choose the middle one column? But I'm over here, I'm having 9.5 position, so I can't choose the middle one column. So I'll choose the 9.5 position by taking the frequency. So by taking the frequency, attention box, check the attention box. Do not take the value in the middle column, 156 centimeter as the median height, just because the third column is in the middle of 5 columns. You have to find 9.5 position. For the 9.5 position, 2 plus 2, it will be 4. 4 plus 5, it will be 9. So you need 9 and 10th and ninth position. 4 plus 5, it will be 9. 9 plus 1, it will be 10. So over here in 156 and 158, I am having ninth and 10th position. So I'll put over here 156 plus 158 over 2, that I got the answer 157 centimeter. Okay, let's move to the next recap is here, median. The definition is given. The median is the midpoint in the distribution. It is middle score, and half the score fall above the median and half the score fall below the median. And here we are having the formula which we used in all previous example, that is n plus 1 over 2 for the median. And I hope it's clear to you people. And here we are having thinking time, and you have to think and you have to find the solution. So what you have to think, in what example 8, what will be the result if data is arranged in descending order? Okay, so you have to find that what will be the result. Will it be changed or same? When you arrange the data in descending order by in the place of ascending order, then what will be the result? You have to find and you have to send the results in your assignment. I'll check your assignment. And over here I'm also having reference page number 502, where you can find the worked example 8 from your textbook, and you can find the results also. So it's your extra task you have to perform and you have to send. Written work, today's assignment, practice now 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, page number 501 to 505. And these practice now questions are based on relevant work examples. Textbook page number exercise 17B, question number 1, A to D, and question number 2, just A part, textbook page number 512. The difficulty level of the question is basic. So I hope the work is understood to you people and you can solve easily via now. And the written practice of the assigned task will be done regularly, and assignments to be regularly submitted to subject teacher according to the procedure. And stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself, and thank you. Allah Hafiz to all of you.